Hi friends, this is Akhilesh again. In the last two videos, we discussed about shortcuts related to cell navigation and selection. Today we will talk about data entry, cell editing and formatting shortcuts. Now let us understand some shortcuts which are related to data entry and cell editing. Okay, as soon as you press F2, you will go inside the editing mode of that cell. Edit the active cell. That is the role of F2. If I am here and I press Shift F2, it will insert the comment. And if there is a comment already there, then you can edit it. When you are inside the editing mode, if you press Ctrl left arrow or right arrow, your cursor will move by one word. That means it will stop at the spaces. Otherwise, it will skip all the continuous characters. When you press Home key, you will reach to the first character. If you press End key, you will reach to the last character. So you can go to start, in between skip the words, and to the end also you can come back. So that will help you to reach easily. Otherwise, one by one, left arrow or right arrow, you will have to use. Sometimes we may need to write data in such a way that it should appear in two lines. Okay, but those two lines should be in the same cell. So when I'm writing fruits and then vegetables, so if I use Alt Enter, it will take me to the same cell in the next line, and then I can write any other thing. Now let us look at some data entry. I'm here in this blank cell and I want to enter today's date. So the shortcut for that is Ctrl and semicolon, and that gives me today's date. If you are looking for time, then you can also press Ctrl Shift and same semicolon key. That will give you current time, okay, as per your system. And sometimes when you want date as well as time, then first press Ctrl semicolon, then space, and then Ctrl Shift semicolon. So you can get both the things in the same cell. Now let us understand one more very useful shortcut for data entry. Let us say I have selected this range. First cell which is having some data, but others are not having data. And I want to copy these fruits in all the cells which are selected. So you can simply press Ctrl D. It will copy the cell and then paste the data in all the blank cells in the selection. It is not necessary that it should be a blank cell. Even if something is written there, it will override that. Okay. So D is for down. Similarly, you can also use Ctrl R and it will fill the data in right direction from the first cell. Okay. Now, if you want to add a hyperlink, then you can press Ctrl K. It will open the insert hyperlink window. Okay. And then you can set the hyperlink for the current cell. Now let us look at some formatting shortcuts. If you want to make some cells in bold formatting, then you can simply press Ctrl B. Okay, that brings you to bold formatting. Okay, you can press it again to remove the bold formatting. Ctrl U will bring underline. Okay, U stands for underline. So Ctrl U can add underline or it can remove underline. Ctrl 5 you can use to strike through or remove it. Now let us look at some other formatting tips. So if I press Ctrl 1, okay, Ctrl 1 will take you to the formatting properties of almost anything. I am currently in a cell, so it is going to format cells. Okay. If you are in a chart, it will take you to the properties of the chart. Okay. So that's Ctrl 1. Okay. Ctrl Shift and tilde. What is the role of that? It creates a general format. You can see general is there. Currently date is there. You can see it has changed to general formatting. If I press Ctrl Shift 1, then it creates a number formatting with 2 decimal and 1000 separator. If I press Ctrl Shift and 2, it brings back time formatting if it is possible in that cell. Okay. Ctrl Shift 3 can give you date formatting. Ctrl Shift 3 can give you date formatting. Okay. Ctrl Shift 4 will give you currency formatting. Ctrl Shift 5 will give you percentage formatting. Then Ctrl Shift 6, that will bring you exponential format. Ctrl Shift 7 will apply outside border in the selection. Ctrl Shift underscore will remove the borders. Ctrl Shift underscore takes away the borders. Even if they are in between, let's say we have all the borders. Ctrl Shift underscore will take away all the borders. So this is all for today. Thanks for watching the video. If you find it useful, please like and share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have any questions or suggestions, let us know in the comment box. And please don't forget to subscribe the channel and click the bell icon to get more updates.